They say change is constant. We believe, with regards to technology, it is exponential. The demand for process control and automation is growing like never before, and keeping up with that accelerated pace is quite a challenge. Our company has proudly accepted this challenge and has been working passionately to meet the expectations of the industry and our valuable customers. From oil and gas to mining industry, food processing to pharma industry, and dairy plants to water industry, we are everywhere. We are Tektrol. Tektrol is an emerging technology-driven company headquartered in Illinois, USA. We believe in providing the highest quality, most advanced measurement, control, and automation solutions. Our aim is to provide operator-safe systems and achieve precise measurement readings. Our journey began with cutting-edge pressure and temperature control systems. Our product line features DP and gauge pressure transmitters along with explosion-proof temperature transmitters. Soon, we broadened our product line to include conventional to the most advanced flow and level measurement techniques. We offer state-of-the-art Coriolis flow meters, Bluetooth-powered vortex and thermal mass flow meters, and multivariable transmitters. We also provide ultrasonic, electromagnetic, orifice, cone, flow nozzles, and Venturi flow meters. Our level measurement categories range from pressure-based level transmitters, guided wave radar, ultrasonic and sludge blanket level transmitters. Our broad range of electrode and lining material options make us capable of handling diverse applications in harsh conditions. Tektrol's determination to create a self-sufficient instrumentation portfolio led us to spread our wings and venture into manufacturing fully automated analyzers and validation systems. Our analytics and validation systems play a big role in enhancing the overall measurement experience. Tektrol's validation systems are the real-time, condition-based validation methods based on prognosis. TechValsys DP is designed for differential pressure diagnostics, whereas TechValsys GC is developed for gas chromatographs. These systems initiate a validation cycle without manual intervention. By detecting performance issues, these systems avoid incidents, thereby reducing possible risk and system downtime. All our products are digital communication enabled. They support standard communication protocols including HART, USMII modules, Profibus, and Fieldbus. We provide online as well as on-site technical support for startup, commissioning, and troubleshooting of all our products. Users can easily find the right measurement solution for their application needs and select among different level of accuracy from Tektrol's measurement portfolio. To know more, connect with us at www.tektrol.com. Tektrol Technology Solutions.